Bob, we've had the sun for 4 billion years. Why should we be using LED lights now?
Ah, so you throw me a softball. Thank you. Um, yeah. Well, LEDs give you an ability that high pressure sodium metal halides and several other high intensity discharge lighting technologies do not. They let you tailor light to any frequency, both that you can see and also those frequencies that you can't see, which are just as important because plants see a lot more than we do. So LEDs let you, and more LEDs are coming out. They let you either increase or attenuate lighting in very specific frequencies, which is the basis for a lot of our testing right now that Zach just alluded to.
Anything you can add in on that, Zach?
Yeah, so the common question that we get all the time is, why would you grow this indoors and endure the additional expense for all of this fancy LED lighting when you can just grow this stuff outdoors? And the truth of the matter is, it's a combination of facts. Outdoor cultivation is a challenge. I mean, you're dealing with the elements versus controlled environmental agriculture, which is indoor. You can control the variables such as temperature, humidity. You're not as susceptible to pests. You're not as susceptible to extreme weather events, which are becoming more and more frequent these days. And as a result of these lighting technologies, you know, the LED lights and our harvester in particular, you can really push the photon intensity, the photon density, while also emulating the sun and its spectrum to produce more flower material than you can outdoors, and more importantly, more efficacious flower material. So in with respect to cannabis and hemp, the medicine for the most part is found in these extracellular glands outside of the plant material called the trichomes. They're these little glass bulbs. And so the higher density of the trichomes, obviously the higher concentration you're going to have of these various terpenes and cannabinoids. And so what we're finding is that with controlled environmental agriculture, with the right lighting and the right other environmental factors such as soil, water, microbial additives, that you can just push the equilibrium of how much plant material and how efficacious that plant material is to a much higher threshold than you can outdoors.
Wow, that is a lot to go over. And fortunately, we've got more seminars to talk about all that, because that is a lot of material.